First start up. All right, let's see.
Wish me luck. Nope.
Here you go. Dang. It's got to run fuel through the lines too, so.
Yeah, you got it.
Let that shit, let the pump warm up.
I'm high-key nervous as a bitch.
Do it. Just send it. Send it.
Alright, we here. This bitch gonna run. Hey, there's a fire extinguisher right there. You don't need it.
case, yeah.
You don't need it.
Might need it.
You ain't gonna need it.
Why you being like that?
The turbo was, ain't the turbo supposed to start spinning a little bit? Nah, not until it starts sucking in there. Hey, look, big shout out to the homies that came through. We got the tranny in. Man, y'all hear that? That smells so good. That E85 burning. Service tire kit, nobody care about that. Tire pressure fault, gauge. We got a check engine light. I got a reader, I'm gonna check it in a second.
Your kid gonna kill you.
Jesus Christ.
It sounds so good and the rest of it's not even on.
It's not even on.
It's not even on.
I'm gonna go through the gears.
You wanna drop it and drive around?
It's leaking what?
Yeah, from the exhaust.
Oh, it's probably just,
Exhaust.
yeah. Hey, look at that. Under her own power, baby. Under her own power, baby. All the gears. Let's go. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
You guys are the fucking shit.
Hell yeah.
The Three Stooges came through. We got her done. Man, it's time. I need Bruce Buffer in this bitch. It's time. Man, that smells so good. Hell yeah. A little backstory real quick. I bought this bitch without ever hearing it run. I just got a bunch of videos and I thought this bitch was gonna knock. No lie, I thought I was gonna start it up, this bitch was going sound like Jehovah's Witness at my front door. Just knocking. Yeah, we got a little water coming out of the exhaust pipes. Got nothing else though. Bro, this is crazy. I'm about to cry. Hey, y'all understand? The fatigue in the triceps and the legs is real. We're trying to get that transmission up. Did the turbo spool?
Yeah, it did.
I heard it.
A little bit, but then you went to idle and it just stopped.
Yeah. I heard it for a second. I was like, ooh, ooh, she.
I'm used to usually seeing it full idle.
Just immediate suck.
Yeah.
It still needs to be tuned though.
Still need to be tuned? Yeah, that's
Yeah.
probably another thing too.
Man, that corn smells so good.
Yeah.
Got that popcorn going. Man, all right. We out of here.